fruit dessert. So let's begin. So I'm going to start with the gelatine. So I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of halal gelatine in 100 ml boiling water. Just going to mix this up, and now I'm going to pop this on the side. So I'm going to be adding 2 cups of evaporated milk, two tablespoons of condensed milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of vanilla syrup, and the gelatine. I'm just going to whisk this in together. So I have some pre-made strawberry jelly which I'm going to add in the bowl, 1 can of fruit cocktail. I'm just going to mix this up. Now I'm going to just pour over the milky mixture. So I'm going to refrigerate this for a minimum of 5 hours, and then we'll check out. This now has been refrigerated for over 5 hours. Our milky dessert is now done. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.